The final night of the September FIFA International window brings us to National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. It's Concacaf World Cup qualifiers, Jamaica. Jamaican yellow, Trinidad and Tobago in red. There is the whistle, and we are underway tonight. The cross coming in, back post, header saved! Denzel Smith up to knock that one away. This cross comes in, it's knotted down. Streaming forward again, it's moved ahead for Garcia, who cuts it in, and he scores! This might work out for Jamaica. Just a bouncing ball and put away! 2 unanswered goals. Here comes Trinidad and Tobago. This one from a tight angle. Tyrese Campbell for Jamaica, cuts it back. Campbell saved. And the referee blows for halftime. Frederick goes for goal and just wide. Dixon lifting it ahead. Cadamarteri bouncing through. Russell scores! Turned over. Garcia looking in field. It's a quick finish. And one back for Trinidad and Tobago. Played over the top. Shamar Nicholson is in, and Nicholson there is the final whistle. Jamaica.